Subtraction of polynomials. In subtraction of polynomials works like addition of polynomials. To get the difference of the subtrahend from the minuend, we add the minuend and the additive inverse of the subtrahend. For example, find the difference. Number 1. So we have bracket 2m plus n. Then minus bracket again 3m plus 5n. Okay, remove the signs of groupings. So to remove, just copy 2m plus n. And then since there is negative 1 in here, so distribute negative 1 times 3m, that will be negative 3m. And then distribute again, so this will be minus 5n. So I need to combine 2m, then minus 3m. Then copy n, then this will be minus 5n. So 2m minus 3m. So take note, this will be 2 minus 3. So this is unlike sign. So if unlike sign, it should be subtraction. We will use subtraction. So 3 minus 2, that will be 1. Since 3 is greater than 2, so this will be minus 1. So therefore, this will be minus m. Then the same with 1 minus 5. Unlike sign, so we use subtraction. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Since 5 is greater than 1, so the sign will be negative 4. So this will be minus 4n. So that is number 1 answer. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2. Bracket 3x minus 2y minus bracket again 5x plus 3y. The same, we have to remove the sign of groupings. So I need to copy this one, 3x minus 2y, and then distribute minus 5x, distribute minus 3y. So combine this one, so 3x minus 5x, and then copy minus 2y, and then minus 3y. The same, we have now 3 minus 5. Since they are unlike signs, positive and negative, so subtraction, we will use subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then since 5 is greater than 3, then the sign of the greater number is negative, so this will be negative. So I have here negative 2x. Now this one, the same or unlike sign, I mean. So 2 and then minus 3. So we will use addition. So add this one, 5, and then common sign. So this will minus 5y. So I have here, the answer for number 2 is negative 2x minus 5y. Let's proceed to number 3. Okay, number 3 will be 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. So this is trinomial and then trinomial. So remove the sign of groupings. So I have here 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And then start distributing. So this will be, there is 1 in here. So this will be minus 2x squared. Negative times negative is positive, 4x. Negative times negative is positive, this will be 8. And then, I need to combine the same variable with the corresponding exponents. So this will be 2x, and then minus 2x, plus 4x, and then the constants, plus 5 and plus 8. So this one is 3 minus 2. So what I said, if they are unlike signs, so we will use subtraction. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So, since 3 is greater than 2, so the sign is positive. So, this will be x squared. And then look at this one. Minus 2 and then positive 4. So, this is unlike sign. So, we will use subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. Since 4 is greater than 2, so the sign must be positive. 2x. Then, combine the same sign. Just add 5 plus 3 is 13. So, that's the answer for number 3. X squared plus 2x plus 13. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Okay, number 4. 2m cubed plus 3m squared plus 2m plus 5 minus 3m cubed plus 5m squared minus 5m minus 7. Okay, the same procedure. I need to remove the sign of groupings or the brackets. So I have here 2m cubed plus 3m squared plus 2m plus 5. Then distribute. So this will be minus 3m cubed minus 5m squared minus minus, that will be plus. So this will be 5m minus minus, that will be plus 7. Then I need to combine the same variable with the corresponding exponents. So this will be 2m cubed and with this one. So minus 3m cubed plus 3m squared minus 5m squared plus 2m plus 5m and then plus 5 and then plus 7. So 2 minus 3. So unlike sign, so use subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. Since 3 is greater than 2, then we know that the sign of the greater number is negative, so this will be negative 1. So this is negative m cubed. Understood that there is an invisible 1 in here. Okay, now next will be 3 minus 5, the same. So we will use subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Since 5 is greater than 3, and then the sign of the greater number is negative, so this will be also negative. So I have here negative 2m squared. Then combine this one. Since they are positive, so just take this positive sign, and then 2m plus 5m is 7m. And then the same also, 5 plus 7, that will be equal to positive 12. So that is the answer for number 4. Let's go to the last example. Number 5. 3c squared minus 3c plus 2. Then minus bracket 2c squared plus 5c minus 5. Okay? Again, we have to remove the sign of grouping. So I have here 3c squared minus 3c plus 2. And then distribute. So this will be minus 2c squared. Distribute minus 5c. Distribute again. So negative times negative, that will be positive. Then we need to combine this one. So 3c squared minus 2c squared minus 3c minus 5c. This one plus 2, and then this one plus 5. So 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Since 3 is greater than 2, so the sign is positive. So this will be c squared. Understood, there is 1 in here. And then minus 3 and then minus 5. So like sign, so we use addition. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And then take the common sign, which is negative. So we have now negative 8c. The same sign, so just add and then take the sign, common sign. So this will be plus 7. So my answer for number 5 is c squared minus 8c plus 7. That's all.